What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm doing my holiday gift guide for 2022. I grabbed a couple of things that I personally just love, and I feel like this could go for women and men just depending on what I'm showing. But yeah, I've got quite a few things here. I hope that you can get some good ideas. Please subscribe and let's just jump right in. So first and foremost, I'm gonna start with my brush set. Every single year I get asked for brush set recommendations, and that's honestly where I got the idea to make this brush set to begin with, because I wanted to create a brush set that would work for beginners or professionals. It would be a minimal brush set that's all you needed. There are so many different kinds of brushes out there that you can obviously add on to your brush set, but I wanted like a core line that you could use and you could rely on. You could easily just grab this when you're traveling because every single brush is so versatile and it's all you need. So I have the Fox 4 foundation brush. This is amazing for applying foundation, cream contour, cream bronzer, cream blush, cream highlight, you name it. This is perfect for it. We designed this very thin, skinny handle so that it was very lightweight and easy to hold in your hand. A lot of times with big kabuki type brushes like this, they have a fatter handle, which honestly for me, when I'm doing my makeup, it ends up hurting my hand and like cramping up. So we designed this so that it was very lightweight and easy to use. And then we have the Fox 5 brush. This is amazing for powder, highlighter, or even just like setting powder on the face. I love this. It's one of my go-to favorite brushes. You can honestly even use this for contour if you wanted to, because it is tapered in that tulip shape. So you could get in here and do a little bit of contour, a little bit of blush with this as well if you use the entirety of it. And then we have 3 eyeshadow brushes. We've got the Fox 1 brush, which is a big fluffy blending brush. And then we have Fox 2, which is kind of like Fox 1's little sister. It's just like the little mini version of it, but still like a bigger blending brush. And then we have the Fox 3 brush, which is amazing for doing eyeliner, gel liner, lower lash line work, just very detailed work. So these 5 brushes are honestly all that you need to do a full face of makeup. This would be a great gift for not only yourself, but also the professional makeup artist or the beginner makeup artist, especially if you want just like one set that's gonna give you everything that you need and you don't have to think twice. This is the brush set for you. So me and Sigma talked about doing a gift with purchase for the holiday season. So when you purchase a brush set, you will also be getting a Wicked eyeliner. Lately, I have just been loving this like winged liner effect and like the naked lower lash line. And so when we were talking about doing a gift with purchase, I was like, it would be so perfect to do the liquid liner so you guys can get the same exact look that I've been wearing nonstop lately. So Sigma's also doing some Black Friday deals, so I will post whatever the deal is right now down below in the description box. For sure, when you get your Brianna Fox brush set, you will also get a Wicked liquid liner with your purchase. So yeah, I'll link this down below along with everything else that I talk about in this video. So as you can see, I'm in my Christmas pajamas. This is one of the things that I would recommend as a gift. They don't have to be Christmassy, they don't have to be, you know, whatever, but I have been loving luxury pajamas lately, or not necessarily luxury, but I'm the type of person that wears just like oversized, big baggy sweatpants, a sweatshirt, and I literally go to bed looking like Adam Sandler. So the last couple of months, I wanted to just like put in a little bit of effort with the way that I look when I go to sleep, because I just wanted to feel a little bit more bougie. So I got these like satin pajamas from Victoria's Secret, and that sparked a thing within me. Now I love fancy ass pajamas. So I got these ones. These are actually from Pottery Barn. Random, I know. I got these from Victoria's Secret. These are a flannel set, and it's in this like green with a pinky red plaid with some gold in it as well. These are also very festive. I plan on wearing like one of these on Christmas Day. And these are cute because they come already like wrapped up in like a little, you know, like a little gifty type of packaging thing. Super cute, just a nice long sleeve pajama set. And I feel like you just really can't go wrong with pajamas. I always suggest to size up rather than getting something too small because you want it to be really cozy. So I usually get my pajamas in a size medium. So I have been on a book reading kick this year. This is like the first year that I really invested time and energy into reading books. I've especially loved reading novels, but I think a book as a gift would be so great. Something that I personally would really love because it's kind of like a gift that keeps on giving. It's not like you get it and then the gift is done. It's something that then you read it and then you can talk about it. What would be even better is if you give a book that you've either read before or you have one for yourself as well, and you guys can read it and then talk about it after. So one of the books that I really liked this year, and it was also really, really popular, is It Ends With Us from Colleen Hoover. Now, this is kind of cheesy. I feel like a lot of her books kind of give me like a Hallmark romance type of vibe, but this one is really popular. So if you haven't read it, or if you have a friend or a sister or whoever that hasn't read it yet, it would be a really good gift, I think. And then she also came out with It Starts With Us, which is the sequel to this book. One that I wish that I had to show you, but I've given it to, I think my mom has the book right now, is Where the Crawdads Sing. That's probably my favorite book, hands down, that I've ever read. I just love the story. I love everything about it. They made a movie on that book now, and it's actually out on, I think, Netflix right now too. So those are just a couple of books that I just would recommend. And if you're not following me on Goodreads, make sure to check me out there, because I share all of my favorite books over there, and also a long list of books that I plan on reading. So, but yeah, I just think like I would be so happy with a book. If someone gave me a book for Christmas, I would be so excited to read it, because I just feel like, I don't know, like I said, it's kind of like the gift that keeps on giving. This is super random, but really made a difference with my sleep routine. This is the Hatch alarm clock. I got this on, I think, Amazon at the beginning of this year, and this is awesome. Especially during the winter, I find that I like this the best. Basically, it's an alarm clock, and it wakes you up with light. So you can pick the shade of light, you can select the brightness, and then you can also have kind of like an ambient noise wake you up. So I have it wake me up with birds chirping and then a bright orange light. And then at night you can have the nighttime routine where you have like a reading light or your night light, and then you can have like ambient noise playing all night long or for a short amount of time. But I just love this because I'm trying to get off my phone. I don't necessarily enjoy waking up to the alarm on my phone. It's just a little obnoxious. Also, just even like having my phone in my bedroom, I'd prefer it to just like not be in here in general. So this is just really nice. It's got the time on it. Obviously, it's just a standard alarm clock, but it just wakes you up with light instead of like So I think this is a really nice special gift. I think that this is something that most people don't really necessarily think to buy for themselves, and I think it would make a really great gift. So the next thing on my list are games. And I'm not talking video games. Originally, when I made my list, I was thinking of like different video games or like the Oculus, virtual reality, whatever. To be honest, I'm so old school. I love good old-fashioned board games. That to me is a really good time. So I picked out 3 of my favorites that have been party hits. I'll just show you what they are and then we can talk about them. I have brought these to multiple different gatherings and they're just a huge hit. So the first one is Incoherent, and this is basically like inappropriate Mad Gab, if you're familiar with that. We played this at my bachelorette party last year. We had so much fun. I'll insert some clips because it's hilarious.
Subscribe, Tom. I'm Chanel. I know you get it. Subscribe, Tom. Subscribe, Tom. Subscribe, Tom. Subscribe, Tom.
Subscribe to my channel. Oh, something channel. Something channel. Subscribe to my channel. And then the next one is this one called 5-Second Rule, and this one is uncensored. Clearly all of my games are just super inappropriate. But this one, it has a little timer that's only 5 seconds. It says name 3 and then the topic changes. So this one, again, inappropriate, hold on. So this one says name 3 ways to make something taste better. So then as soon as you're done saying that, you flip this upside down and they have 5 seconds to say 3 ways to make something taste better. So it happens really fast, you're quick on your toes, and a lot of times you just freeze, and it's just so much fun. And sometimes, because you're not even thinking and you're just spitting out whatever comes out, you wouldn't believe the things that come out of people's mouths. I just love this game. It's so much fun. I love games. I've always loved games, and I think it'd make a really good gift, especially for Christmas, because then it's something that you can play after doing gifts and you can all get together and play. It's just so much fun. So that just made me so happy. Okay, next are these Ugg boots. I've talked about these in my, I think it was my October favorites video, and they're a little wet because I just wore them outside and it's snowing. But I have been obsessed with these. They are the shorter ones and they're just so cute. I wear them all the time. And honestly, this could be either a boot or a slipper. I feel like this is a really good go-to gift. And I just think they're really cute. They're honestly pretty trendy right now. And I feel like especially if you're giving it a gift to somebody who's like into like trendy things and whatnot, I think that they would really like these. I think I mentioned this in every single gift guide, but I have to mention it again. And this is the Nest Holiday Candle. This smells so amazing, even just sitting here. I don't even think I'm gonna replenish this for this season because I have only a little bit left in here. I feel like you can kind of see it there, but it's so fragrant just on its own and it lasts so long. It smells so good. This just to me smells like classic Christmas. I feel like candles can be kind of difficult to get for somebody because you never know what scent they're really going to like, but this to me just smells like everybody would like this. It just smells like what Christmas is, in my opinion. It's kind of cinnamony, evergreen tree-y. It's just so good. It's classic and it's also gorgeous. When you have it lit, it's so beautiful. They have different sizes of these. And then also, if someone is a candle lover, this is a candle that I think most people don't really want to buy for themselves because Nest is a little bit pricier. So to me, this is a really special present. The next gift idea is wine and a wine glass, and then also a wine opener. Start with the glasses. I recently picked these up like 2 months ago, and they're the long stemmed wine glasses, very Olivia Pope. These are bougie AF. I got these at Crate & Barrel. I love them. I feel very fancy when I have a glass of wine in here. I think because of just the size, it's just like, it's so fancy. And then I think it's also nice to give a bottle of wine along with it. My personal favorite is the brand Fresh Vine Wine. I like this because it's low sugar and low carb. It doesn't have the sulfates and things in there. It's Nina Dobrev and Julianne Hough's wine brand, and I really love it. I don't drink that often. I personally don't really drink ever at all, except I'll have a glass of wine every now and then. So this doesn't give me a headache. It tastes really good. I've tried other low sugar, low carb type of wines that don't have the sulfates and all the things in them, and usually they taste a little funny, but these taste really good. I've tried this one, and I've tried their Cabernet, and I've tried their Chardonnay, and they're all really, really good. I feel like you can't go wrong with a blanket or a throw. This one is from Target, and I've been loving this. We just keep this downstairs on our couch. It's so cozy. It's got these little tassels, and I don't know, if I got a blanket and it went with like the vibe of my house, I'd be obsessed. I feel like this too would also be good depending on what your price point is for your gift. If you needed a higher price point item, you could even bundle this with the alarm clock, the book, the pajamas, and the wine, and just do kind of like a little bundle set. All of this stuff is pretty cozy, so I feel like if you need like a bigger gift, you can get a bunch of smaller gifts to create the bigger gift, you know what I mean? Okay, this is kind of random. The next thing that I think would be a really great gift is the light that I'm using to film this video with. I recently switched up my camera setup, and you guys, it has been the best. I think that this would be great for any makeup lover. It's such a thin light. It's easy to break down, it's easy to put up, and it's very easy to travel with because it's so thin. And it has changed everything with creating videos for me. It makes it so easy to set up my stuff, makes it so easy to do my makeup. And next time I go on a trip, it's gonna be so easy to travel with. I don't know how many times I've gone on a trip and I didn't bring any sort of light, because who thinks to bring a light with to go do your makeup when you're like traveling? But I've been in so many hotels where the lighting sucks so bad, and I hate doing my makeup because I'm just so used to sitting down in front of a big lighting setup. But yeah, it's super inexpensive. I got it on Amazon, and it's just made such a difference. You can change the temperature on the light, you can change the brightness on the light, you can change the height of the light. It's awesome. So I'll link it down below. I think it's kind of a random gift, but I think whoever you give it to, they'll really like it. And then lastly, but certainly not least, my favorite gift to give and my favorite gift to receive is one that I can't show you, and it's an experience. I think my love language is quality time. I love to give quality time and receive quality time. So whether that be a movie day, cooking someone dinner, or going to get like a manicure and pedicure together. Something like that I think is a lot more special. I just think it's a lot of fun to do like some kind of experience. And like say you're doing like a mani-pedi as the gift card, part of it could be, hey, let's also go out to lunch and go shopping together. And it could just be like a whole day event. And that kind of gift is my kind of gift. I love that kind of stuff. And lastly, I just totally forgot about this. Another really great gift, something that my dad gave us growing up, was a gift card to the car wash. Now, that is a gift that keeps on giving. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm always at the car wash because I have a car wash subscription. So I can go every single day for 30 days and it's $30. Otherwise, it's $18 every time you get a car wash. So I just go every day because why not? It's right by my gym and it's just routine. And you know what? My car is clean AF and it's a really great gift. I think in high school, my dad gave us car wash gift cards. I was kind of like, what the fuck is this? But now as an adult, it's like, that's a really nice gift. I would love that. So yeah, just thought I'd throw that in there. I know it's kind of random, but yeah. But that's everything for this gift guide. I feel like it was kind of random, but also kind of like typical. I personally don't think that I'm like the best at gift recommendations. Again, I'm the type of person that's like, hey, let's have like a girls' day. Let's go cook and watch a movie and whatever, because that's just my style. But I hope that these things were helpful. Love the games, love the book. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked this. I hope that you got some ideas. Leave your gift recommendations down below in the comments section. That way we can get even more ideas. Yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye.